Okay, we're going to look at some equations with fractions in them, which is the next step to the work that we've done already. Okay, so let's just get right into it. Example 1, 2/3 of x plus 5 is equal to 7. Okay, now the first thing that we need to do here is to get rid of the fraction, so we want to get rid of that divide by 3. Now that means that we need to multiply everything in the equation by 3. So we times that by 3, times that by 3, and we times that by 3. Now the divide by 3 and the times by 3 cancel out, and that will just leave me with 2x. 5 times 3 is 15, and then 7 times 3 is 21. It's then letters to the left and numbers to the right. And so I take 15 away from both sides. And that's 2x equals 21, take away 15 is 6. Bring the 2 down, divide. And that'll be 6 over 2, and x equals 3. Let's try an example 2. 3/4 of x plus 5 is equal to 9. Okay, so we want to get rid of that fraction there, that divide by 4. So how do we do it? We multiply everything in the equation by 4. Okay, so that divide by 4 and times 4 cancel out to leave me with 3x. 5 times 4 is 20, and 9 times 4 is 36. Letters to the left, numbers to the right. So we're going to take 20 away from both sides. And that'll leave me with 3x equals 36, take away 20 is 16. And x equals 16 over 3, final answer. Okay, example 3. 2/5 q minus 3 is equal to 17. Okay, so we want to get rid of the fractions, so get rid of that divide by 5, multiply everything in the equation by 5. Okay, the divide by 5 and times 5 cancel out, and that'll leave me with 2q. 3 5s are 15, and then I need to do 17 times 5, so I'm just going to go to the side and do that. 5 times 7 is 35, 5 didn't carry 3, 5 times 1 is 5, plus 3 is 8, 85. I'm then going to get rid of that minus 15 by adding 15 to both sides. And that will give me 2q equals 85 plus 15, which is 100. Q equals 100 over 2, and q is equal to 50. Let's try an example 4. Okay, this time we've got 3/5 g minus 1 equals 2g plus 5. So again, that fraction is causing problems, so get rid of that divide by 5 by multiplying everything by 5. As long as we do the same thing, everything, that's fine. So the times by 5, divide by 5 cancel out and leave me with 3g. 1 times 5 is 5, we're minus in the middle. 2g times 5 is 10g. Then 5 5s are 25. Okay, it's then letters to the left and numbers to the right, and this is similar to stuff that we've done today. 3g is okay, minus 5 is not, 10g is not, and 25 is okay. So first of all, I'm going to get rid of minus 5 by adding 5 to both sides. That'll give me 3g equals 10g plus 30. Go through it again. Letters to the left, numbers to the right, that's okay, that's not, that's okay. So I need to get rid of 10g from both sides. Take your time, 3g take away 10g is minus 7g. And that leaves me with only 30 on that side. I then bring the minus 7 down rather and divide. Final answer, 30 divided by minus 7. Okay, let's try 2 more, example 5. 3/4 bracket 2x plus 1 equals 10. Okay, so that divide by 4 is causing difficulty, so multiply both sides by 4. Okay, so that divide by 4 and times 4 cancel out, and that leaves me with 3 bracket 2x plus 1. is equal to 10 times 4, and that's 40. I then open that up. 6x plus 3 equals 40. Where's the left numbers to the right? Get rid of 3 from both sides. 6x equals 37. Bring the 6 down, divide. X equals 37 over 6. Let's try one final example. Example 6. Let's go for 2/3 bracket x minus 3 is equal to 6x plus 1. Okay, get rid of the divide by 3 by timesing everything by 3. Divide by 3 times by 3 cancels out, leaves me with 2 bracket x minus 3. That's equal to 6x plus 1. Now open that up. 2x minus 6 equals 6x plus 1. It's then letters to the left and numbers to the right. Okay, so that's okay, that's not okay, that is. Get rid of minus 6 by adding 6 to both sides. 2x equals 6x plus, well, that's 7. Go through it again, letters to the left, numbers to the right. 6x over both sides. 2x take away 6x is minus 4x, and that's equal to 7. X equals 7 over minus 4, final answer. Okay, let's try those 6 and we'll pick them up tomorrow.